Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and we're just going to check to see if this is a genuine watch. So here, if you purchase it from a store, it should have a seal at the top. If the seal is broken, then be mindful, maybe it got switched over, because originally from the factory there is a seal right here. So I'm just going to break it up so I can break up the seal on that end. On this end here there is a tape, so I can cut it out. The box says it is made in Vietnam. Alright, and there is also Samsung serial number and ME number on here, so take note of that. Now this watch here comes with LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. So I'm just going to open up and let's see what is inside this box and what you can expect to get. Alright, so this is the watch right here. It comes with a black band. It is rounded, very flat on the surface right here. As you can see, it is very flat. It has a ring outside, a black ring on the outside. And at the back here, there is also a QR code. And on here, you should see some writing, made in Vietnam by Samsung. It tells you the size and the case. It has a Gorilla Glass DX. And on the watch here, this is the band. So you want to take a close look at the band and make sure that it is resembling to what I'm holding right now, because the watch I'm holding right now is a genuine Galaxy Watch 4. So you want to make sure it looks exactly like this. This also has on the band, this also has a number, SKKW, so make sure the band also has some kind of writing here. And I think there is a switch here that allows me to remove the band. And this is the watch right here. So I'm just going to put this one up for the first time. Okay, so I'll press on this button here and now it's put up with the logo Samsung. Alright, so while that is booting up, I'm going to check on this box here to see what is inside this box. Alright, so looks like there is some informations in this box, a booklet. Okay, there is a booklet, and on the other side there is a cable, so I can pull out this whole pack in here. Now there's nothing else in this box. So in this pack right here, looks like there is only a charge cable, so I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, there is a charger right here, so you can use this to charge the Samsung phone. Not the phone, sorry, the watch. And so that's it. Just the booklet, the watch, and the charger. This one here is plugging into a USB-A charger plug. And you can also peel this off as well. Now, behind this charger here, it says Samsung wireless charger. It's got a model number. All the writing is very neat and clear with serial number and QR code for that watch. Alright, so this is the boot up screen on the watch. Say Galaxy Watch 4 and welcome. We can swipe up, and then after that I think you can proceed to set up your device. And yeah, so that is everything inside the box with the charger. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.